Hi everyone! In this video we'll show you how to bend and shape the BUGLOSS to make it look more realistic in your projects. These plants have two sides. The top side is lighter and the underside is a bit darker to simulate shadows. Start by picking one of the larger groups. Using tweezers to hold the middle, gently bend the leaves upward. Just like this. Next, bend the leaves downward along the stem to simulate the weight of the leaf falling naturally. Then pull all the stems upward to create a solid base. To add even more life and variety, you can gently curve the tips of the leaves downward for a more dynamic look. And you'll get something like this. Choose where you want to glue the plants and use cyanoacrylate to fix them in place. To avoid using too much glue, place a small drop on a flat surface. Lightly dip the plant into the glue, then position it where you want it. Stack multiple groups together to achieve a larger, fuller and more realistic plant. Add as many plants until you're happy. Find the full range of laser plants on our website and more tutorials right here on our YouTube channel.